It's the business end of the tournament, and I'm sure you mean business as well with your fantasy 11s. And to make sure you win lots and lots of points for this game between Bangalore and Hyderabad, that's to be played in Sharjah, we're now joined by Ajit Agarkar on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. हमेशा की तरह भाई आदत डाल लो. हम सबसे पहले प्रो टिप बताते हैं, तो अपनी डायरी में नोट कर लो. As the pitches are slowing down by the day, have a few spinners in your 11 along with top order batsmen as the game is to be played in Sharjah. Spinners have picked up 17 wickets at an economy of just under 7.5 in the last 6 games at the venue. Make sense, Ajit?
Yeah, I mean, we expect the pitches to slow down a lot more, but you're probably right. You know, there's some quality spin on offer. Rashid Khan, Chahal, those kind of quality bowlers will always get you rewards. So, yeah, something to certainly keep a watch out for. It's a tough ground to bowl for any bowler, but real quality always stands out.
Right, just a quick update on player availability. No official news yet on Navdeep Saini, who had a finger injury. But if he doesn't play, Bengaluru could go with Isuru Odana in place of Dale Steyn, who looked quite pale in that last game. Also, a quick reminder of the rules as well. Please note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and you've got to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, bowlers, all-rounders, and wicket-keepers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. David Warner shall be our captain. The Warner of the old is back, and given the desperate situation his team is in, expect him to go all guns blazing and win lots of points by making him your captain. Rashid Khan, everybody's favorite, is going to be our vice captain. Now, most teams look to play him out in the first half of the tournament, but he's now found a way to take wickets in bundles. 17 wickets to his name at a staggering economy of 5 says it all. Given Bangalore's worries against leg spin, Rashid Khan should definitely do well. So, David Warner, the captain, Rashid Khan, the vice captain. Who are the other top picks? AB de Villiers. Now, although he's been slightly hot and cold this season, especially in the last couple of games, he scored 339 runs at a strike rate of 171. He should enjoy batting against Hyderabad, especially at the depth. Remember, he scored a 50 the last time these two teams met as well. So back AB de Villiers. Manish Pandey. Now, in his last 3 innings, he scored 142 runs, including a match-winning unbeaten 83 at a strike rate of 132. Even if an early wicket falls, Pandey has the game to keep going in the power play as well. Yuzvendra Chahal is the last name on our top picks. He's Kohli's go-to man in crunch situations and Bangalore's most bankable bowler. He's picked up at least a wicket in each of the last 7 games, and overall, he's picked up 18 wickets this season at an economy of just over 7. So here's what our top picks look like: David Warner, Rashid Khan, AB de Villiers, Manish Pandey, Yuzvendra Chahal. Looks good to you, Ajit?
Very good, very good. I think Virat Kohli probably is the only guy, if you look at that top 5. And rightly so. I think these 5 guys will. He probably has a case to prove after looking at these picks. But they're really good picks, all match winners, and all will want to have a big say. If they play well, they'll have a big say in not just the outcome, but how the team plays. Really big players, those 5 guys.
Right. Does Virat feature in our 11? Big question. We'll find out. थोड़ा patience रखो. पहले differential picks तो देख लो कौन है भाई. Joshua Philippe, who played in that last game, replaced Finch. He looked pretty good in that one innings at the top of the order. Plays both seam and spin really well. He looked pretty good, and looks like he promised Virat Kohli a lot more in the coming games. Who knows? He might continue to play and score big for you in this game. Mohammad Siraj has picked up 4 wickets at an economy of under 7 and a strike rate of just over 10 in the power plays this season. 5 out of his wickets in the tournament have come in the last 3 games, suggesting that form is on his side too. So Joshua Philippe and Mohammad Siraj, the 2 differential picks. Now let's look at our recommended 11. In addition to the 2 wicket keepers, AB de Villiers and Joshua Philippe, we've got 4 batsmen: David Warner, the captain, Devdutt Padikkal, Kane Williamson, and Manish Pandey. Chris Morris, the star from Bangalore, is the only all-rounder. And if you look at our bowling, T. Natarajan, Chahal, Mohammad Siraj joined Rashid Khan, the vice captain. Now, Virat Kohli is not in our recommended 11 because he features on our substitutes alongside Jason Holder, Moeen Ali, and Wriddhiman Saha. How shocked are you, Adi?
Yeah, I hope Virat Kohli sees our show. It might actually help RCB because these are the things that have always he's thrived on. When people have, it's not too many times that when people haven't picked him somewhere or written him off. But look, it's a different game that we are playing. But he is due a big score. for RCB. So I'll certainly be watching out for that.
Right, we've got an alternate scenario on the vice captaincy bid in case you want to make a change. It's not the kind of change that most people want to make, but just in case, on Rashid Khan, although form is on his side, he's picked up only 5 wickets against Bangalore since 2018. Not sure if that stat really counts against an informed Rashid Khan, but in case you decide to replace him, you've got Jason Holder as the other alternate option for you to mull over. Guess what? We're going to add to the number of things that you need to think about by giving you a third variable, which is the high risk 11. Let's take a look.
So what I've gone with the form players. So I've removed Devdutt Padikkal and I've gotten Riddhiman Saha. He made a flashing half century the other day, and when a player is in form, you should like to use him. Second change, I've removed Manish Pandey, although he can give you a lot of catching points. I've gotten Vijay Shankar because he bats and bowls, and that Hyderabad batting, he might get a decent chance of hit. The final change is the big one, and I don't know why the recommended 11 did not have him, but you've got to keep Kohli in your team. So I've brought Kohli in, and I've removed T. Natarajan. Natarajan's been an excellent bowler, make no mistake, but he just simply doesn't get you as many wickets as the other players. Captain is Kane Williamson. I expect him to play a big role, especially if Johnny Bairstow is not playing. And the vice captain, as I said before, use the form player, get Saha as your vice captain, and he should do well.
There you are then. You got our very measured, balanced recommended 11. You heard from Ajit and you saw the slightly radical high-risk 11. So think of all that. Get your teams ready. Win lots and lots of prizes. For now, thanks so much, Ajit, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo.